There's something a little fishy going on around here. Stick around and find out why. I'm going to show you how to do fish a little differently than your regular cornmeal batter, although I do love that too. This batter has plenty of good taste. Let's get to it. Alright, let's go over everything you're going to need. We have 3/4 cup of water, 7 or 8 fish fillets, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of flour. We're going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt. We're also going to salt, pepper, and Creole our fillets. Then we'll use 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, we're just going to add all of our ingredients for the batter together and whip that up. And I am going to salt and pepper and use my Creole seasoning on the fish itself before I batter it. So this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we're adding our baking soda, and then next will be our baking powder. I already have the sugar measured out. 1 teaspoon of salt. We need 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder. Now I just added my paprika, and I'm going to whisk these dry ingredients together and then add my water. I'm going to go ahead and season my fillets with Creole seasoning and some salt and pepper. You can do this all to your taste. Alright, I'm just going to batter these fillets, and it is a little bit messy, but you'll live. I've already checked my grease to make sure it's hot, and it's good. I also have potatoes cooking. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'm sure you know how to fry potatoes. If not, cut taters, throw them in the pan. That's all there is to it. There you go, guys. This is what it looks like when it's all finished up. I did use a skillet tonight, and it does turn out better if you use a Fry Daddy. It obviously works, and this is going to taste great for supper tonight. As always, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching, guys.